Let's be honest, nobody really likes to talk about what happens after we use the bathroom. But as we get older, this everyday routine can become a real challenge. If you're over 60, or caring for someone who is, you already know that balance, flexibility, and even grip strength just aren't what they used to be. And that can make one simple question a big deal. How do I clean myself properly, safely, and with dignity after toileting? Stay with me, because in this video, we're going to talk about practical, easier ways to stay fresh and hygienic without pain, without embarrassment, and without unnecessary risk. Whether you live independently or need a little extra support, these tips are designed to help seniors right here in the United States feel more confident and comfortable every single day. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we focus on practical health solutions for seniors. Today's topic is one many people avoid, but it's one of the most important for overall health and quality of life, making toileting easier and cleaner after age 60. We'll cover why cleaning properly becomes harder with age, how poor hygiene can lead to infections and discomfort, the best tools, devices, and techniques to make things easier, and smart habits that keep you clean, confident, and healthy. By the end of this video, you'll have a full toolbox of senior-friendly solutions that really work. Section 1. Why cleaning becomes difficult with age. First, let's understand why something so simple becomes a struggle. Mobility and flexibility decline. As we age, arthritis, hip stiffness, or back pain can make twisting and bending extremely difficult. Reaching behind to clean properly becomes uncomfortable, or even impossible. Grip strength weakens. A weaker hand grip can make holding toilet paper securely or using moist wipes tricky. Things slip or tear more easily. Balance concerns. Fear of falling in the bathroom is real. Seniors sometimes skip proper cleaning because they're worried about standing up or twisting around. Skin changes. Older skin becomes thinner and more fragile. Rough wiping can cause irritation, itching, or even small tears, leading to infection risks. Underlying health conditions. Neuropathy from diabetes, Parkinson's disease, or stroke can reduce hand control or sensation, making precise movements harder. Ignoring these challenges often leads to lingering odor, urinary tract infections, irritation and rashes, and even reduced confidence in social situations. This is why rethinking how we clean after using the toilet is not just about comfort, it's about health and dignity. Section 2. Better tools to stay clean. Thankfully, there are innovative solutions designed for seniors. Let's go through them one by one. 1. Moist wipes, fragrance-free. Switching from dry toilet paper to fragrance-free moist wipes makes a huge difference. They clean more effectively and reduce friction, which protects sensitive skin. Always choose flushable wipes made for sensitive skin, or dispose of non-flushable ones in a small trash bin. 2. Toilet tissue aids. These are long-handled devices that hold tissue or wipes so you don't have to twist your body. After wiping, press a release button to drop the tissue in the toilet, no touching required. Perfect for seniors with arthritis or hip pain. 3. Bidet attachments and handheld sprayers. Bidets aren't just for luxury bathrooms anymore. They're an absolute game changer. You can install an inexpensive bidet seat or handheld sprayer on any US toilet in minutes. A gentle spray of warm water cleans more thoroughly than paper alone. No bending, no irritation. For seniors, this can mean fewer infections, less discomfort, and more confidence. 4. Portable bidet bottles. For those who can't afford a full bidet or travel often, a simple squeeze bottle works as a mini portable bidet. Just fill with warm water, and rinse. It's clean and convenient. 5. Non-slip toilet safety rails and raised seats. These don't clean you directly, but they make it much safer to stay steady while cleaning. By reducing the risk of falls, you gain confidence to take your time instead of rushing through hygiene. 6. Perennial irrigation bottles. especially helpful for women after surgery or childbirth, but also fantastic for senior hygiene. These provide a gentle stream of water to rinse without needing to wipe aggressively. By combining these tools, many seniors regain their independence in the bathroom, a huge emotional boost. Section 3. Proper techniques for gentle cleaning. Tools are great, but how you use them matters too. Let's talk techniques. Always wipe front to back. This prevents bacteria from spreading into the urinary tract, especially for women. Pat, don't scrub. Rubbing too hard can irritate thin senior skin. Patting dry or using a soft cloth keeps skin healthy. Use lukewarm water. Avoid water that's too hot or too cold. Warm water is soothing and reduces discomfort. Dry thoroughly. Moisture trapped in skin folds can lead to fungal infections. A soft towel or hair dryer on cool can help. Barrier creams and powders. Applying a gentle protective cream or powder after cleaning helps prevent chafing and rashes. Change underwear daily. Clean cotton underwear absorbs moisture and helps skin stay dry and healthy. These simple steps dramatically reduce odor, irritation, and infection risk. Section 4. Lifestyle habits that support better hygiene. Good hygiene after toileting is also linked to overall health habits. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water keeps urine less concentrated and reduces odor. Eat fiber-rich foods. Preventing constipation makes cleaning much easier. Wear loose, breathable clothing. This helps keep the perineal area dry and fresh. See a doctor for mobility or continence issues. Sometimes difficulty cleaning is a sign of underlying conditions that can be treated. Don't ignore irritation or odor. Persistent problems may indicate infection or other health concerns. In other words, bathroom hygiene is connected to your entire lifestyle. Taking care of your body through diet, hydration, and regular checkups makes cleaning easier and keeps you feeling good. Section 5. Emotional benefits and dignity. Let's not forget the emotional side. Seniors often feel embarrassed about needing help with toileting. Some even avoid social outings for fear of odor or accidents. But using these solutions isn't about weakness, it's about taking control. When you can clean yourself easily and confidently, you reduce stress. You maintain independence longer. You feel better about yourself every day. There's no shame in using tools or making changes. In fact, it's a sign of wisdom. You're taking steps to protect your health, your comfort, and your dignity. Summary. To sum it up, cleaning properly after toileting is harder with age, but very solvable. Using moist wipes, bidets, tissue aids, and other tools can make hygiene easier, safer, and more comfortable. Gentle techniques, good lifestyle habits, and protective creams prevent irritation and infection. And most importantly, there's no need to feel embarrassed. Maintaining your hygiene means maintaining your freedom, confidence, and quality of life. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with friends or family who might benefit, and subscribe for more practical senior health tips. Your comfort matters, your dignity matters, and taking care of yourself is always worth it.